Hey guys, sorry to miss another day, but sometimes it just happens. So you will be doing a slope multiple choice today. Hopefully this makes it an easy day for you guys. I just want to go over some of the basics before you guys take your multiple choice. 10 questions, remember 10 minutes. So you got to be able to recognize if I'm looking at a line, what kind of slope I have. So would this be a positive or a negative slope? So we automatically can say that's positive, and then we can compare that to a slope that looks more like this. Okay, that's also positive, but this one is much steeper than the other one, okay, meaning it's going to go up a lot more before it goes over. So maybe this is a slope of 4/1, whereas this might be a slope of, let's say I go up 2 and over 5. Okay, so notice the difference in those. So just be able to look at them and recognize. Of course, then you have your negative slopes. Okay, so this would be a negative slope, and then a steeper negative slope. Okay, so just think about what those numbers look like as slopes. You will also need to be able to solve for slope in an equation. So my equation is going to look like this: 3y equals 5x minus 1. Okay, so then I would say find the slope of the line. So in order to find the slope of the line, the easiest way is to put this in slope-intercept form. So that looks like 5/3 x minus 1/3. And remember that first number there, that m, is my slope. So my slope for this one would be 5/3. Okay, think about how you would find the y-intercept. So if I gave you a similar equation, 3y equals 5x minus 7, and I just said find the y-intercept. Remember, that means you're plugging in a 0 for your x. So I'm going to plug a 0 in here. So 3y equals 5 times 0 minus 7. So this is all gone. So 3y equals negative 7. And my y-intercept would be at a negative 7/3. Remember, that looks like a 0, comma, a number, your y-intercept. Okay. Also, if I give you a point, so it looks like 2, 0, and then a slope, maybe it's 1/2, be able to plug that in to your point slope formula. Okay, so remember, just figure out where to plug things in. You guys will be fine. Plug this in for your m, and then plug this in. That's your x1 and your y1, and then solve for your slope-intercept form, which slope-intercept is your basic mx plus b. Okay. All right. Good luck on your multiple choice, guys. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.